Let me just take my time, style it for you guys to see how beautiful this hair is. Hi, welcome to the channel, and if you just come across this channel, my name is Estalia. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber, and I do beauty, like vlogs, food, etc. So if you like what you're seeing already, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And to my OGs, thank you so much for tuning in each and every time. And one of these days, I'm going to do a giveaway to my best and loyal subscriber here who always stand in for me. And please, if you want to be part of them, kindly stay tuned to my videos, comments. Let me see your comments, let me see your likes, and let's see if you win this giveaway, because there's going to be some questions I'm going to ask. If you have been watching me for a long time, I hope you're going to know the answers, and then it might be your chance of winning. That's just by the way. Today I'm going to slay this beautiful hair. This is factory made hair. I just love factory made hair. Recently I've just fallen in love with it because it's easy to carry along, easy to wear, it's not heavy on your head. Like, you can do whatever you want with the hair, and trust me, it goes very well. And this is how I've already bleached the how do you call it, the closure with my makeup. Okay, because this I've been wearing it for some months now, and I'm going out, so I said let me slay this on here for you guys to see. Okay, so this is it. It has this stripe here. They have this for the bigger hair. If your head is big, you use this to adjust, and if your head is small, you use this stripe to adjust it. And look at the inner. This is factory made, and I really love it because look guys, this hair is so soft. Unfortunately, I don't know the brand name of this hair. It's so soft. As you can see, I've already prepped my face, everything. I've already set up because I do not want this video to be long. Okay, so it will bore you when you are watching. I'm just going to put on my wig cape. Yep. love this look of mine. I really love it. It's excellent. The hair is so soft, very, very beautiful. You can see. How do I look? Please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video to this stage. Do not forget to like, share, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.